I kind of grew up post 9/11, so I remember 9/11 really well. I remember all that happening, and I just had this like inherent drive where I was just like, this is just something I need to do. That's just in the blood of some people that joined the Marine Corps.
The North Vietnamese battalion attacked us. I got shot 5 times that night. Next thing I knew was a couple weeks later I was in hospital. I spent a year in the hospital.
Semper Cares is an initiative that we came up with to give back to the disabled or needy or deserving veterans. We do it a few times a year, and it's our way of giving back to the community.
We're here in Vista today at David Smith's house. Give back, the little bit we can give back, and say thank you.
It's Independence Day, so what better time to celebrate our independence than giving someone some independence from the local electric company.
Yeah, it's really cool that it's my own brethren doing this for me.
If it brings my wife to tears, I don't even know how to begin to thank you. Probably one of the greatest things that's ever happened to me.